Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Now we will see about basic concepts of PowerPoint. We are going to learn how to insert a table and how to insert a chart and how to make a PowerPoint presentation using animations and how to print slides and handouts. First section, inserting table. Under ribbon, click the Insert tab and click Table. You will get a menu which allows you to select how many rows and columns to include with the table. And also choose the design and theme by choosing the Design tab and select the themes. Also in Design, you can choose from a plethora of table designs. Just hovering over the different designs will show what the design looks like in the document. You can really mix and match designs, colors and themes to create a quality presentation. So these are the steps to insert a table in the PowerPoint 2007 in an easier manner. Next section is formatting table. If you want to change the cell size means first select the table, after that select the layout tab and place the insertion point in the row or column you want to modify. And locate the cell size group. Use the arrows on the table row height and the table column height fields to change the cell size. If you want to change the text alignment in a table means you can also select the layout tab and select the cells you want to modify. Click an alignment command to change the text alignment in the table. There are some few commands: left, center, right, top, vertically and then bottom. The next section is chart. Instead of using boring and hard to read tables in your presentations, insert colorful charts with PowerPoint 2007. Chart make it easy for your audience to visualize trends and patterns and can prevent people from getting squint eye or distracted. First, how to insert your chart. So first click the Insert tab on the ribbon and then click Chart option. You can also insert a chart in some other way. You can also insert a slide with a layout that contains a content placeholder and then click the Insert Chart icon. After inserting the chart, you can select the chart category and you can select the chart type. After that, click OK. And there are three additional chart tabs. It appears on the ribbon, which provides a plenty of chart formatting options. In the Design tab, it lets you to change the chart type, save the chart templates, edit data, change chart layout, and applying a chart style. In the Layout tab, it lets you add, edit charts, axis titles, legend, grid lines, trend lines, and error bars, and so on. And then in the Format tab, it applies you graphical styles to your charts and word art styles to text within the chart. Next thing is labels for the chart. We can add some few labels for your chart. For example, title you can add, and also axis titles also you can add, and then legend for your chart you can add, and then data labels. You can label the elements of the chart with their actual data values. Then final thing is chart data table. You can also add a table summarizing your data to the chart. Next, axes in the chart. So there is an option, axes, which lets you to change the layout and formatting of each axis. Hides the axes of their labels. Switches the axis or changes the measurement displayed with each axis. And one more option is chart grid lines. You can turn on the grid lines or off for showing the grid lines backside of your chart. Next thing is backgrounds. We can set few background options. Example, plot area, and then chart wall, chart floor, then 3D rotations. You can add these options as a background for your chart. Next thing is analysis. You can analyze your chart by setting the following options. Trend line. you can set trend line for your chart, which indicates the average course of the data to the chart. And you can add lines at data points which compares the data to other points or other axes, and it clarifies where each data point falls. And you can add up and down bars and error bars. Next section is animations. You know that animation is nothing but moving the picture. Here now we will see how to make animations. First, select the objects within the slide that you want to apply the animations. From the menu ribbon, select the animation tab. Select an animation, customize your play speed and set your soft preferences and click preview to play the animations. Next section is custom animation. How to make custom animation means first click on the animation tab and click on the object, and after that click on the animation button. So there are some 4 effects in your animation, that is entrance effect, emphasis effect, exit effect and then motion path. With the help of the motion path you can draw a line, curve and whatever the shape you want to draw you can do. And then next section is timing. By default the animation will play upon your mouse click, but if you want to make your animations to play automatically means you can change the start from on click to after previous. And one more thing, you can set a length of your animation time, that is duration. You have to note one more thing, that is the longer the duration is, the slower the effect. And also we can set animation to play after a certain number of seconds, that is delay. Next section is printing slides. On the File tab, click Print. Under Printer, click the down arrow and pick a printer. After that, under Settings, click the down arrow next to Print All Slides and then pick the slides you want to print. Click the down arrow next to Full Pages Slides and then pick a Print Layout. The thumbnail images below show a preview of how the pages will look when printed. So in the copies box also you can choose a number for how much number of copies you want to print. Then finally handouts. It's nothing but print more than one PowerPoint slide per page. Look at this figure. You can see a section print what. We have choose handouts. After that slides per page is 6. So we can print 6 slides in a single sheet. Finally, I am giving an assessment for you. So please stop the video and you can do this assessment. And I have add some references for you. You can go through with this. Thank you.